If any of you want to share your interview experience through our YouTube channel, you are always welcome. Please do share your contact information and what are the companies that you got placed in to our email ID techmyhire@gmail.com, and we will contact you and we can make a video.
Hello everyone, I am Ramna. You are watching me on TechMahar YouTube channel. So here we have Koteswaro. So he already shared experience about interview at Exaware. So in this video, he was going to share his interview experience at Atos Syntel. So without any delay, let's dive into the video and let's get details about Atos Syntel interview process and written test process and everything from the recruitment process of Atos Syntel. So hi Koteswaro, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing great, Rama. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing great. And can you tell me how you got opportunity for Atos Syntel?
Actually, Atos Intel is visited in the off-campus day only. I was applying the Metal platform. Total Atos Intel hiring process will be happen in the Metal platform only, from the application to document upload phase. First, I was registered in the Metal platform by using some metrics like 10th inter BTech, all the percentages and some passport size photo, all the details in the given the Metal platform. After within a 1 week to 2 weeks, I got the examination link with specified time, like when will be appear for the exam, and after that how many rounds will be there. In this hiring process, having the total 5 rounds.
Yo, okay, the written test process contains 5 rounds.
Yes,
It's too long process, I think.
but one thing is only one round is elimination. All are the another 2 rounds are non-elimination. The written test.
Okay, so how many interview rounds are there for you?
One technical round and one HR round.
Before moving further, let me tell you about this amazing website called Relevel Academy, guys. Yes, because Relevel Academy is India's first hiring test, which is providing job opportunity to freshers and experienced as well. And you know, the job opportunity that you get will be in less than 15 days. Yes, because it is having topmost companies and startups of India to provide job for you guys. Yes, you can see on the screen that Cred, Urban Company, 1MG, Meesho, QFit, and many other companies are providing job, and the salary ranges up to 15 LPA. Yes, and all these benefits are just free of cost. Yes, guys. So all you need to do is firstly register for this test and take this test, and then when you clear the test, you will be having an interview with the company, and then you need to accept the offer. Yes, that's it. So let me tell you how it happens and how the process goes on. So when you use the link in the description and open the website, you will be having the Relevel website on your device, and when you click on get hired, here you can find 3 different kinds of job roles: front-end development, back-end development, and business development, and you can take up the test whichever you want to. Let me take front-end development test. So when you click on that, you can here see that you can book your free slot. As I told you earlier, this test is completely free. You can take up the test for free of cost. And here down here you can see what is the test pattern, what type of topics they are asking you, and how they assess you. That's it. So now when you click on book your free slot, you just need to log in with your mobile number, guys. And when you log in with your mobile number and book your slot, and this is how it comes, like the dashboard. So here you can watch the test instructions, you can prepare for the sample test, and then you can take up the final test. Yes, and below down you can see that who are the people who have made their dreams come true by placing in topmost companies through Relevel. So you can watch their story here as well. So this is how it happens, and you can be the leader if you can score higher in the Relevel's test. Yes, so this is the entire process, guys. All you need to do is registering for the test and taking the test, and that's how you will be appearing for the interviews. So what are you waiting for? Just register for the Relevel test and get your dream job in less than 15 days.
So can you give details about what are the questions that they asked in the TR round and how you answered them?
Sure. First of all, in the tier round, they're mostly checking the resume only, but some more about the database concepts. In first, they're asking about myself, and I introducing myself based on the our intro only. They are extending our questions. I mentioned in the intro, I was telling that I good in C++, and Java and SQL. So they're starting from SQL. What are the normal forms? So what are the types of normal forms, and what is the difference between the normalization and data repetition, all these things. And also they're asking about the some data structure questions. I didn't mention anything in the data structure in my resume, but they're asking about the data structure questions also, like just basic questions: what is a linked list and stack queue, and the logic of the bubble sort, how will we work in the, if you consider the five elements. Just a oral explanation only, but not in the write the code, all these things. After that, they're asking about the difference between Java and Python, and you have any idea about the cloud computing. After that, they're asking two programming question. One is a Fibonacci series, but the initial terms are the 1 and 2. We are seeing the only 0 and 1, so that they're asking just a small changes. Initial term was 1 and 2, and they're asking the write the code and the by screen sharing by using Fibonacci series question, and swapping of two numbers without using a third variable. These are the experience only, technical experience.
Okay. So like so you mentioned like you not mentioned data structures in your resume, but they still asked about that question. So what happened like yeah, in BTech, so the common subjects will be OS, DBMS, data structure. So these things will be happen for every BTech or any student. So even if you not mentioned the resume, if the candidates I want to suggest this one. So if even these things if you not mentioned resume, but still they may going to ask because you already studied about them. Suppose in OS or they may ask the algorithms. Suppose in DBMS, some concept they will ask, and CN. So everything you studied in your academic. So they may going to ask them also. So only the criteria will be for programming language. Suppose if you're not good at Java, if you're not going to mention in your resume, then they will not ask you. But these subjects are common for everyone in the BTech, like, so they may go ask for those, even you not mention your resume. So this is the one thing that I want to mention here for the candidates.
First, they in the HR interview asking some basic questions only, not much hard. Can you explain the HR related question?
Yeah, you can.
First, they're introducing myself, and after that, they're asking about what you work in our company, why Atos Syntel, and who are the Atos Syntel CEO, and when will be acquired by the Syntel by the Atos, and what are the services provided by the Atos. If you are working with the 2 year service bond, and where do you see yourself in the next upcoming 5 years, and that those are those things only. And relocation, just it is a formal decision to 5 to 10 minutes. After completion of the HR round, within a 5 to 10 days, I got the letter of intent. After completion of getting the letter of intent, within a 10 days, HR is calling to me, and he said that your joining will be some particular day. You have to join, and you have to bond on the agreements, and you submit the agreements, and you get the one link for the laptop. You have to give your address and all these things.
So okay, so what is the role that you offer and what is the package?
Associate consultant with 3.4 LPA with 2 years of service.
Okay, so can you explain like how it's gone about the written test round?
Okay, first of all, when I receiving the one mail from the Metal platform, it specify it is a written test on the Metal platform, which consists of the 90 questions with specified time limit is 60 minutes. In this consists of the like three section like arithmetic and reasoning and verbal. In quantitative aptitude, having the 30 questions with specified time is 20 minutes. After that, reasoning with 30 minutes and 30 questions and 20 minutes, and verbal ability 30 questions and 20 minutes. Total will be the 60 minutes and 90 questions. It is the elimination round for appearing for the another two rounds, and having the cutoff will be the 70%. Based on this 70%, we will invite to another rounds. One is the technical MCQ round, another one is the hackathon round. After that, clearing of these three rounds, we will get the interview slot. Our calendar will be blocked by the Atos Syntel interview person. And also, it is first of all, it is only one elimination round. After that, all are the non-elimination round. So we are most hit on this round, and we have to prepare hard. In these three rounds, in three sections, I'm learning from the Indian Weeks and some RS Arun Sharma books. After that, I given the exam, and also I got the another two rounds examination links. Another second round was the technical MCQs, which is consists of the 50 MCQs. It consists of the 50 minutes. In the they will check in the our database concepts knowledge and programming concept knowledge, and also checking the SQL, Java, and software engineering parts, which is totally five sections. After that, within a 2-3 days, you will get the hackathon examination link. It is a actually it in the previous year will be occurred in the offices. With 5 members are conducted by the one HR interview, but in the it totally work from home virtually. There will begin the one coding question which consists of the 90 minutes. We can solve it, and MCQ test and the hackathon will be non-elimination round. So just we have to give the best, and also based on this score will be you will get the another higher packages. But you're given the position is associate consultant with 3.4 LPA with a 2 years service bond. And after completion of the hackathon round, within a 15 to 20 days, we will get the interview email. But it's a process very slow in the interview because a lot of candidates are writing the exam because only one round will be elimination. So the all are will be passed in the aptitude test, remaining all are the non-elimination. So they're testing multiple candidates. So we have to wait.
Okay, suppose like so from where like you prepared for the written test, because it is content aptitude and everything, right? So technical and
Yes.
coding missing, so all these rounds can. So what are the resources that you found to prepare for these type of written test?
First of all, I referred the Facebook and Indian Bigs and Prepinista and Arun Sharma book and RS Ogal textbooks also. From those models will be appeared in the real-time exam. Almost all the questions are easy, not much hard, but the time constant is a main important thing. Here we have to spend more than we have to spend for 40 seconds on every question because 70 is a cutoff, so that we have to give the all questions in the mostly correct answer. Otherwise, we will lose the opportunity and we cannot forward to another rounds.
So I mean, did they mention anything the requirements like before appearing for interview call? Like, did they want to send your resume or any documents that to be prepared while appearing for?
Yes, yes. Yeah, I forgot to tell that. After completion of the hackathon round, we will get the one congratulation mail. You are selected for the interview slot, and will be happening in the upcoming couple of days. And they're given us some document which is named as IRF, which consists of the our resume details and our background and our personal details. All the things will be mentioned in in that mail. We have to forward all the required documents to particular mail. After that, there will be inviting to interview slots.
So do you want to suggest anything for the candidates who are viewing this video and who are going to appear for Atos Syntel interview?
For the Atos Syntel interview, written test is a more important. Is the only elimination round. Remaining are the elimination in the tier and HR, but the more elimination in the written test only. So more focus on the first round of the written test, which is consists of arithmetic, reasoning, and verbal. After completion, it will be all of the VC only. So it is a more important.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, Kodeswara. And so this is about the Atos Syntel interview experience from Kodeswara. So the candidates who are not still not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. And we are going to provide a complete placement related information from our YouTube channel. So thank you.